Side shuffle to the right. Step together, step, rock back, recover. Step together, step, back, recover. The count there, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Vine to the right. Side, behind, step, touch. To the left, we're going to vine for 2 counts, add a quarter turn shuffle. Side, behind, quarter shuffle with that left foot. The count there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Rocking forward with your right. 1, recover, 2, shuffle back, 3 and 4. Rock back with your left, shuffle forward, left, right, left. All we're using is your right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. 2 quarter paddles, step, quarter turn, step, quarter turn. 3 heels, adding a hitch at the end with a double clap. Right and left and right, hitch it up. The same time you hitch, we're going to double clap. Heel and heel and a heel. Now I tell my students, focus on the double clap. Your hitch will come naturally. Heel and a heel and a heel. And then you're ready to start again. The count here from the paddle turns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Let's put the whole thing together from the beginning to the end. Side shuffles, 7, 8. Step together, step, rock back, recover. Step together, step, back, recover. Vine with a touch, vine to the left. Quarter turn shuffle, 7 and 8. Rock forward, shuffle back. Right, left, right. Rock back, shuffle forward. Left, right, left. 2 paddle turns. Ready with those heels. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. No extra bits with this dance. There is a nice clean ending at the end, all the way to the front. Finish with a double clap. End of dance. Have some fun. This dance is called Coming Up.
Like fly the highway or fly the stars on the line.